He's baby. We want to say a happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and I am so grateful for having this man, my king in my life, because he did all this from scratch himself, and he's going to tell us what he created real quick. Okay, baby, start your menu. What did you create? Where you go? Oh, he's coming. Real quick. What you create?
This is corn pudding with the cornbread in it.
Okay, and your mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
And what's this? Gravy?
This is gravy that goes on the stuffing.
Okay.
Ham.
Okay.
Collards and turnip greens mixed.
Oh, wow, okay.
Then we got cranberry sauce. Then we got banana pudding and also the sweet potato pie.
Well, y'all, I'm truly blessed. I'm thankful for what God had given us. This day, we had to stay home because of the COVID. Everybody be out there, that's out there traveling, be safe. Wear your mask. Practice your distancing. And do your quarantine, 14-day quarantine when you get back home. And we're going to see this through. We all are together.